What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we have some HTML and CSS challenges. As you can see, I did get a few wrong, but we move. Right here, we can kind of already tell. Div, without reading the div usually has some sort of a ID, and width is the only property that I see, and then in between properties there's a colon, after there's a semicolon. So some of these you can kind of tell just by what they look like. But what was the question? Holding down the left mouse and drag the pieces of code to code a horizontal navigation bar with 100%. That's one way to do it. You can do 100% of the viewport width. That would be, instead of the percentage sign, you put a VW. So, yeah. Alright, cool. Code the line that overrides the browser's default, which is to display a list vertically. So it would be with 100%. Display block, no. Inline, just inline. I rarely use this one. Usually I use inline block, sometimes block. Mostly it's like display flex or display grid. Code the line that starts the menu on the left edge. Left edge. Usually left edge. Code the line that starts the menu on the left edge. That would be margin. Padding, no. Float left. Wow. I completely forgot about that one. Code 3 lines that style unordered list items contained in div. Make up the ID. List items. So I'm gonna go with ID of nav, then we'll do UL, LI. Which is to display items vertically. Oh, well, it would be, I think it's width according to them here. Inline. Display inline. Separate menus with half M space. Use the most concise code. By this one, it's kind of vague, but by this one, I think it's the bottom. So, separate menu items. I'm gonna go with nav ul li. I think that's what it is. Li. And it might be margin. So it'll be like top 0, right 0, bottom 1 EM, and left 0. Margin right, separate items. It doesn't say separate them in what direction though. Code 3 lines that separate menu items with half. Oh, I did. I did put 1 EM instead of, so okay, whatever. Code 3 lines that make all menu items that same. Make any, start again. Nav ul li. Menu items. Is it li? Because sometimes it's the anchors. I don't know when it means what, you know. It doesn't use the word anchors. It uses like different words. make up what you need to make them the same width. Make them the same width, you could just do, you could do width 100% because then that would be the width of the viewport or your content. Or you could just give them a width. You could just do like, 5 EM. But in this case, I think it wants us to do percentages. So I'm going to go with percentages. Check it. That's exactly what it is. So let's see, code 5 lines. See, now it's anchors. So for anchors, we're gonna do, let's see, div nav ul a. Make them blue. Color the menu. Color menu blocks blue. Code 5 lines that color menu. Menu blocks blue. Center the anchor blocks and then menu blocks. See, now I think it's li because it says menu blocks. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with li, then I'll do background color blue. Center anchors, we'll do text align center. Then we'll go with override vertical. I think it was inline. Wow. Lucky guess, bro. Code 5 lines that specify the same 19 width for all color blocks. Again, most likely it's li. So we can go with in div. Same, okay, same width. Start the menu on the left, so that's gonna be float. It's been a while since I've used float. It's really recommended flex or grid or, stuff like that. And then I'm gonna assume it's horizontal this time, so it's gonna be margin left or margin right, I forgot. I'm gonna go with margin right. EM, half EM, so let's do 0.5 EM. I don't think it uses zeros, I think it's just like that. Alright, now we have a time goal of 15 seconds. Code of the line that starts the menu on the left, that's float. We'll do one more. Code through lines that style unordered list items contained in a div. The styling overrides the browser's default, which is to display items vertically. Display inline. So nav ul display inline, but is it going to be to ul or list items? Go with alright, cool. Your code is correct. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.